Hello learned viewers, welcome to all of you in English spoken class. It is English Knowledge Stream channel. As you, today I am going to tell you some tips that will be helpful in your speaking. Some tips. Of now you know that when you speak you feel a certain kind of problem, you feel certain kinds of obstacle, hindrance that prevent you not to speak English. And it is clear that you understand English very well. You understand the meaning of the sentence in very clear way, but you are unable to speak in English. Why? There is some problems that a beginner feels while speaking English. Some of them I would like to mention here and also advise you to avoid these particular problems and obstacles. First of all, when you start speaking, the problem that you feel is the problem of hesitation. The problem of hesitation always prevents you and always makes a hurdle to speak in English. So first tip that you should follow is that remove hesitation. Now the first problem that you feel is the problem of hesitation. When you want to speak English, you just hesitate that whether I am going to speak wrong or right. Don't matter for that. Just speak whether it is wrong or it is right. If it is wrong, make it correct later on, and gradually, if you remove your hesitation, you will be able to speak English. And hesitation is that problem which is not removed easily. You will have to make up your mind that really hesitation is a problem for the beginners and as well as for yourself. Then it is your duty to remove your hesitation and feel good and create a courage in yourself that I have to speak in English, whether it is wrong or right. In this way, you will be able to speak English and will remove your hesitation. Now after that, the second advice is that you should be a regular listener and reader of English news, speech, etc. Be a regular listener. Always be a regular listener as well as reader of English news, speech. Meaning to say, you have many types of devices in digital India, and listening is a good art. A good audience is always a good orator. And listen English news, English speech, and try to learn it and understand what is the method of speaking and what is the words, what are the words used in the speech, and you will notice that again and again same word is used. There is particular range of words that if you cover those words will be always used in speech. And don't break your listening. Be a regular, always find out a time of 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes, half an hour, even 5 minutes. If you don't have time, you can use even 5 minutes, but be regular. You have different channels in English, different kinds of programs are broadcasted, and you should learn, you should understand, try to understand and watch or listen that program and be regular to listen it. Besides, you also should read English newspaper. You have many apps on your mobile. You can download in Indian Express newspaper, Times of India newspapers, Hindustan Times, etc., etc. There are so many English newspapers. So you must read magazines, newspaper, and editorials regularly. Without regular listening and without regular reading, you can't speak English. As you know that a child who is totally unknown from any kinds of language, but he speaks in his mother tongue after some time, how does a child start speaking? He starts speaking only by listening. He listens, she listens each and every word of her mother, her father, her brothers, sisters, and he or she doesn't know how to write, but he or she starts speaking. So if you want to speak English, then you should be a regular listener and a regular reader of English. Don't mind whether you are going to understand totally or not. It doesn't matter that you have understood all the speech, all the English news, meaning. Don't matter. Don't mind for that. If you be a regular reader, if you become a regular listener, it naturally will come to you and you will be able to speak in English. Now the third point is make your vocabulary strong. The third point is make your vocabulary strong. I am interpreting everything in English. I am dictating everything in English. I am speaking in English. All the topics, perhaps you will not be able to understand totally. So I am just going to use Hindi also. हिंदी में भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि अपने वोकैबुलरी मींस अपने शब्दकोश को मजबूत करिए, वर्ड्स आप याद करिए और इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ेंगे, इंग्लिश न्यूज सुनेंगे तो अपने आप ये मजबूत हो जाएगा। इसके अलावा आपको यूज शॉर्ट सेंटेंस एंड इजी वर्ड्स। जब भी आप बोले शॉर्ट सेंटेंस को ही बोले। नाउ सेंटेंस शुड नॉट बी कॉम्प्लेक्स और कंपाउंड, इट शुड बी इन सिंपल सेंटेंस। और शॉर्ट बोले, स्लो बोले और इजी वर्ड्स प्रयोग करें। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए, डू नॉट care for negative. Don't care to negativity, negative remark. Just when you are speaking, जब आप बोल रहे हैं तो कुछ लोग नेगेटिव रिमार्क भी कर सकते हैं, तो उनको केयर न करिए, आप बोलते जाइए और बोलते जाइए। हमेशा आप बोलते रहेंगे तो आप बोलने लगेंगे और कोई हंसता है, सपोज समवन लाफ्स, कोई हंस रहा है, लेट देम लाफ, उसको हंसने दीजिए। आप अपने काम पर लगे रहिए और डोंट केयर टू नेगेटिव रिमार्क्स। अगला पॉइंट जो है आप केयर करेंगे, डोंट इग्नोर टेंस एंड इट्स यूजेज। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि आप टेंस को इग्नोर करते हैं। टेंस को पढ़िए, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग इज डिपेंडेड ऑन टेंस। व्हेन यू स्पीक, जब कुछ बोलोगे आप, तो दैट विल कम इन एनी काइंड ऑफ टेंस। तो आप इग्नोर न करें टेंस। मैं टेंस पढ़ाता हूं, आप टेंस को कतई नहीं इग्नोर करें और उसको आप पढ़ते रहें इस प्रकार से, और हिम्मत को बनाए रखें। आई एम श्योर if you follow these tips, then you will be able to speak English fluently within a month or within a 2 months. Now, these tips you should follow. इन टिप्स को आप फॉलो करें और आज से ही इस पर लग जाइए। आप बहुत ही जल्दी, बहुत आसानी से अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू कर देंगे। इस तरह से अब हम आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताएंगे कैसे आप अंग्रेजी अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं, कैसे आप अच्छे से अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू कर पाएंगे। These tips will help you. So, thank you for watching this video.